Welcome to the Actuate Biomedicine Summit, a groundbreaking event where cutting-edge technology meets human potential. From December 3rd to 6th, 2024, Kenyatta University Nairobi will host one of the most forward-thinking gatherings focused on using blockchain, artificial intelligence, and decentralized finance to transform industries and improve health and human development across Africa. Our summit is not just another conference. It is a platform for hands-on, immersive workshops that bring ideas to life. With over 100 professionals expected in each workshop and up to 500 participants from across the continent, we're fostering collaboration, innovation, and knowledge sharing at an unprecedented scale. Imagine a workshop on nuclear energy, where you experience the real-time production of energy and learn how to use AI and blockchain to enable universal access. Or dive into decentralized finance and see how you can form capital using blockchain to create funding solutions for your enterprises. In these experiential spaces, you won't just learn the theory, you'll interact directly with the technologies that are shaping the future. From nuclear energy to AI-driven healthcare solutions, every participant will leave with a clear understanding of how to use these innovations to implement real-world solutions. And on the final day, our summit of workshops will bring everyone together to celebrate the joint discoveries, build enterprises, and create lasting relationships. This is where the future begins, powered by blockchain, driven by AI, and inspired by your vision. Each workshop will also ensure participants understand the roadmap to implementation, including how to use the Actuate token for capital formation, funding, and enterprise growth. This is more than just a summit. It's a catalyst for change, innovation, and impact. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to be part of Africa's transformation. Join us at the Actuate Nairobi Summit, where technology, health, and human development come together for a better future. Register today and shape the future with us. See you in Nairobi.